name is Cecilia. I'm African, born Namibian, proud to be a Damara, Nkwenqais, live in Windhoek. Happy Wednesday on the 1st of December. God bless us. Viva Portia! Viva! The Queen of Real Housewife of Atlanta. I have enjoyed the spin-off. I don't have a problem with it, and I give it 10, the big 10. After all, we must not turn our backs on people we love. We must stand by them till the end. All of a sudden, Dennis has become a good man, a good boyfriend. I don't understand. Balance me, please balance me. Dennis, balance me. Didn't Dennis not cheat on Portia with animals like the street says? Was it a dog, an animal, a snake of elephant? Yes, let me know, please. We'll wait for the answer. They clap sense for Dennis now because he's an American. He never cares about Portia. I didn't see that way he cares about her. He's talking about Portia love him, but I don't believe Portia is romantically feelings for him. That's nonsense, Dennis. Just move on. So Simon has opened up about married 3 wives. His grandfather was married to 25 wives, and the father 2 wives. 2 wives. I can't remember. Just apologize for that. I apologize for that. Maybe 2 or 5. I don't know. I can't remember. That's abuse of women. That is sex psychopaths. That's kind of a rape for me. They don't respect. They disrespect women. I hate polygamy. I hate multiply people in the name of money. I don't want that kind of life for Portia. Please, I really don't want that kind of life for Portia. Just stop it. Stop it. She doesn't need a cheating husbands. Nonsense. Just grew up, Simon. You are father of 5 kids. Just grew up. Move away from Portia. That's it. Portia, as a mother, I want to advise you. Yes, don't sell the house. Keep it for Bila. One day she will grow up and she will need that house. Please, don't play, Portia. Fallen Pina. Fallen, I really don't understand. You can have 4 different kids from different boyfriends, but you can't have kids with married men. Maybe there was no love, or maybe was it an open relationship? I want to know. Just let me know. Yes, Fallen, balance me, please balance me. Simon and Dennis is not the right man for you. One is cheating with animals. One is cheating with multiply women. Multiply women. That's nonsense. Can I say something? Of course, Cecilia. You can say anything you want. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I have a feeling Black Americans hate Africans. Why calling Simon slave, ugly African, creepy, messy, old schemer? Maybe he's a schemer. I also have that feeling. But calling him African, ugly, I really don't understand. But you people never call Dennis Martel Holtz, Marcel of Love Offense Marriages, the undercover cheating husband of Tisa. All those names, call also those men that kind of names. Please just do it. I want to understand why you people calling yourselves African Americans when you discriminate and hate us Africans. After all, those shows belongs to you. So I think us the ugly Africans must stop watching these shows, these franchises. I'm a Black African and we are not welcome on this platform anymore. It is not for us. I really don't understand. yes, tell me. Sê vir my, julle wil nie wat ons hier so hê nie, dat ons kan weg van hierdie franchise af of Habadutara, Sidatini Khanitsa, because we all support this kind of, we support these channels, we support your programs, we support your movies, we support your series, but you constantly, you people come and talk about us ugly Africans. You people doesn't like us. Seriously, like I see it. I think we are the same black people, but it doesn't look for me like that. You call yourself African Americans, but calling Simon ugly. What is his cheating and schemer business doing with his nationality? His country, Nigerian? Nigerian? That is not cool. I'm not agree with it. It is disappointing. I feel very hurt. You hurt my feelings seriously. But you know what? I'm addicted to these kind of franchises. I really like the housewives. I like the real things. I like it. Seriously. Maybe I will think and come back to you again. But don't be angry. I was angry. But I will cool off. See you next time. Subscribe, like the channel. Ciao.